What if the same software my wife and I used to do over $10 million in our own organic sales, the software that helped us collect 6 ClickFunnels awards across our businesses, was handed to you to use in your business and to resell to your customers? In the next 9 minutes, I will walk you through what Friender is, why it works, and why we are opening only 100 partner seats this round. The form to lock in your spot is right under this video. Quick housekeeping. My name is John Vaughn. My wife and co-founder is Ankita Vaughn. Together we built Friender, the #1 Facebook organic sales and automation system, and Vaughn Labs, our software company with over 70 full-time employees. Over the past few years, I personally used Friender to do over $10 million in my own organic sales. The software did not do that on its own. I used it every day as the operator. Friender itself has been awarded the 2 Comma Club, and the broader funnels we built around it using this exact organic system have been awarded by ClickFunnels 6 times. 3 2 Comma Club, 2 2 Comma Club X, and 1 2 Comma Club C. 3 years ago, Ankita and I needed software for our own business. We needed to grow our organic reach, automate friend requests, schedule posts, message at scale, clean up dead friends. We tried every tool on the market. They all broke. So we built our own. Not one tool, 8 separate ones. Genius Messenger CRM, Friend Connector, Friend Disconnector, Birthday Wisher, Post Scheduler, Post Profits, Engagement Monster AI, and Group Monkey. They all worked. They all had paying customers, but they did not talk to each other. So we did the only thing that made sense. We rebuilt everything from scratch as one integrated platform. That is Friender. The hard part is done. And here is something most people miss. We ran Friender as a closed beta for 2 years before opening it to the public. 2 years of polish, real users, real conversion data. We are running the partner program the same way. 100 pilot seats, refine, prove it works, then open the doors. Here's the problem almost every marketer, agency owner, coach, and creator runs into. Selling courses is rough, refunds, low completion, no recurring revenue. Selling coaching is exhausting. You trade hours for dollars and there is a hard ceiling on your time. Selling done for you services is a hamster wheel. Every month you start at 0. Meanwhile, the SaaS founders you watch on the internet are sitting on real recurring revenue, real assets, real leverage. Software customers stick around for years. They pay every month. The numbers compound. You see it. You want it. But you also know what it actually takes to build software. Years. Engineers. Bug reports at midnight. Most people never start. Here is the one big idea that has to land before anything else makes sense. Software is the highest leverage product on earth. Customers pay every month. Most stick for years. The tool becomes part of their daily workflow, and they forget they are even subscribed. The reason most people never get to sell software is because they cannot build it. But what if somebody else already did and is willing to hand you the keys, the playbook, and the customers? That is the entire program in one sentence. Secret number 1, the fastest way to win in software is to skip the building. 3 years. Engineers, servers, bug reports at midnight. We already did all of it. We took the hits, we won the awards, we have the customers. As a Friender partner, you skip every bit of that and start with a finished product, a proven funnel, and a paying market. Secret number 2, the best lead magnet on the planet is software people actually use. Russell Brunson calls this the MIFGE, the most incredible free gift ever. Most marketers give away PDFs nobody reads. You give somebody a free Friender basic account, they use it daily, they hit the limits, and they upgrade themselves. You are not selling. You are giving people what they are already asking for. As a junior partner, you get 100 Friender basic accounts to use as your MIFGE. Secret number 3, you can use the same software you sell to find the people you sell it to. We call it the Friender feedback loop. Step 1, you join, you get your own Friender intelligence account. Step 2, you use Friender on yourself. Build your network. Message your audience. Step 3, that exact system surfaces the marketers, agencies, and coaches who need exactly what you now sell. Step 4, you offer them a Friender account and you keep the money. Step 5, you repeat. Same software, both sides of the transaction. We have used this exact loop ourselves. It generated over $1 million in Friender sales for us and won the 2 Comma Club. It works because partners who actually use the software become unstoppable at selling it. That is the Friender Partner Program. Here is what is inside as a junior partner. $100 a month. You get your own Friender Intelligence account, which by itself is $99 a month. You get 100 Friender Basic accounts to use as lead magnets or sell. And here's the part most people miss. You get 100 legacy agency accounts on each of the 8 original software tools we built before Friender. That is 800 software accounts you can resell. You get live weekly coaching from me and Ankita. You get the private partner community. You get VIP support. As you climb tiers, you unlock unlimited Friender accounts, more reseller partners under you, and white label rights on the 8 legacy tools. Let me be specific about the legacy tools because this is where the math gets fun. You get 100 resellable accounts on every single one of these 8 products. Genius Messenger CRM sells for $47 a month. Friend Connector, $61 a month. Friend Disconnector, $9 a month. Birthday Wisher, $9 a month. Post Profits, $9 a month. Post Scheduler, $47 a month. Engagement, Monster AI, $29 a month. Group Monkey, $47 a month. 8 standalone tools, 800 resellable accounts, real recurring revenue, white label rights at higher tiers, all of it on top of Friender. Quick clarification, because this is the most important sentence in the whole offer. You can resell Friender. You cannot white label Friender. White label rights apply only to the 8 legacy tools and only on yearly billing once you are at partnership or above. That is by design. Friender stays premium. Your margins stay protected. And we run a minimum advertised price policy so no other partner can publicly undercut you. Add it up. The intelligence account alone is $99. People pay $500 to $1,000 a month for coaching from less qualified mentors. People pay $25,000 to $50,000 a year to learn the same funnel building frameworks Russell Brunson personally awarded us for. You get all of it for $100 a month, $1 more than the intelligence account by itself, plus 100 Friender Basic accounts to monetize, plus 800 legacy agency accounts across the 8 tools, plus a 30-day no questions asked guarantee. The math is on purpose. We want to fill these seats. This is a closed pilot. 100 partner seats in this round total. Once we open to the public, the lifetime caps are permanent. 500 junior, 200 partnership, 100 inner circle, 50 elite. After that, the only way in is when somebody drops out. If the sign up form below this video still loads, there is still a spot. The form is right below this video. Drop in your name and email, lock in your junior partnership at $100 a month, and upgrade anytime as you grow. If you understand leverage and you are willing to execute, this is the most asymmetric bet you can make this year. I will see you on the inside.